Today, I'll show you how to add a new word to the Microsoft Word dictionary. If you've ever been frustrated by those red squiggly lines under a word you know is correct, this guide is for you. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to easily add any word to your personal dictionary in Microsoft Word, ensuring your document stays clean and professional. First, let's begin by opening up Microsoft Word on your computer. Once you have Word open, look towards the top of the window and find the ribbon, a series of menus and icons that help you navigate through the program's many features. What we're looking for here is the File tab, which is usually located at the far left of this ribbon. Go ahead and click on it. After clicking the File tab, your screen will change, presenting you with a series of options. On the left-hand side, you'll see a vertical menu. Scroll down this menu until you find Options, which is typically near the bottom. Selecting Options will open up a new window where you can customize various settings within Microsoft Word. In the Options window, you'll see another menu running along the left side. Here, you're going to want to select the Proofing tab. This section is all about helping you manage how Word checks your spelling and grammar, which is exactly what we need to focus on. Now, with the Proofing tab open, look for the button labeled Custom Dictionaries. This button is your gateway to managing the words that Word recognizes as correct, even if they're not part of the standard dictionary. Click on it to proceed. A new window will appear, listing all the dictionaries available to you. You will likely see one named something like custom.dic. This is your personal dictionary, where you can add any words that Word doesn't recognize by default. Click on custom.dic, or whichever custom dictionary you prefer to use, and then select the button that says Edit Word List. Once you're in the Edit Word List window, you'll notice a box labeled Word. This is where you'll type the new word that you want to add to your dictionary. Make sure you enter the word exactly as you want it to appear, with the correct spelling and capitalization. After typing your new word, click the Add button to include it in your dictionary. With your word added, all that's left to do is to confirm your changes. Simply click OK to close the Edit Word List window, and then again to close the Custom Dictionaries window. You can now exit the Options menu by clicking OK once more. Congratulations! You've successfully added a new word to your Microsoft Word dictionary. From now on, Microsoft Word will recognize this word in all your documents, sparing you the sight of those pesky red squiggles and helping you maintain a polished and professional look in your writing. As a final tip, remember that you can repeat this process anytime you encounter a word that Microsoft Word doesn't recognize. Whether it's a technical term, a name, or a word from another language, adding it to your custom dictionary will save you time and ensure that your documents reflect your unique vocabulary. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're now ready to customize your Microsoft Word experience even further. Thanks for watching, and happy writing!